My name is William Abril y Reverse Logis Process. One displays waste. Plastic waste or plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic or phase A plastic bottles and small more in the environment that are reversely affect wildlife habitat the human is for the two significant towns the plastic the recycled on the land floor in the village plain world thrown into regular downside in fact for scaffold over 5,000 tons of plastic consumed each year and they truly 1/4 of it recycled. Reduce plastic consumption in raising awareness about plastic recycling is crucial flaw container the problem of plastic waste and pollution in our planet. Plastic recovery processes, plastic waste collection, storing, waste grinding, flake. Recommendation: go to super with necessary bag donde necessary plastic water playing in bowls for vegetal. Recycling plankton in resort is possibly finding footing of 10 in your the kids Warrington stop eaters. Avoid winning plastic bottles stop consumption strong is clone bags. Reducing in falling plastic contains. Use core and including money in what bomb steel sale. Bringing work on resume cook is coffee shop. Tour in seeing wonder clock spins. A wall in wish of a splash film. Told reducing teeth is old coffee capsule. Chain to the plastic content. Reference. Plásticos residuales y portales de valoración, reciclaje, residuos industriales en Santos. Gracias.